Als erstes stellen wir euch heute die funktionale Geldbörse von Travendo vor. Sie besitzt 10 Kartenfächer und eine Edelstahlklammer für Geldscheine. Die Kreditkarten werden vor dem Auslesen geschützt. Das integrierte Münzfach bietet Platz für einige Münzen und die Geldbörse gibt es in den hier gezeigten Farben.
I'll show you how it looks like. It comes in a nice package, by the way. The mask looks like this. It blocks out light for 100%. It has adjustable strap. The strap is very soft and will be comfortable in it. And fabric of the mask is very smooth as well and soft to touch. And also it's made out of memory foam. It has layer of memory foam inside, so it will be very comfortable to sleep in it. Also, this mask is designed with nose bridge to complete light blackout, even if you sleep on your side, which is wonderful. My favorite part of this mask is the 3D contoured cup inside, so you won't never feel the pressure on your eyelids when you wear it, and it won't smudge your makeup.